Everybody, I know we cannot be outdoors, but we can still be in our backyards and having some fun. Today we are going to make some slimes, and I have three helpers.
My name is Soha. My name is Raya.
Alright, so these are the ingredients we are going to use today. We have some clear glue, some white glue, contact lens solution, baby oil, shave cream, food coloring, borax powder, and we have some utensils like glass containers and some spatulas or spoons, some measuring tools, and let's get started. So today we are going to make two kinds of slime. One slime will have the ingredient of borax powder, and the other one will have baby oil in it. The rest of the ingredients are pretty much the same. So I'm going to use my one cup measurement, and I'm taking out the clear glue in it. That we are making today is the fluffy one. For that we need 2/3 of Elmer's glue. It doesn't matter if you have a clear glue or you have a white glue, both will work. So let's measure it, and I have a 1/3 cup. I have a 1/3 cup, so I'm going to use 2 of these, which will make it as much as we need. So I think it will be hard for you to see, but I am filling it up to the top. So one more go. Just with the wooden spatula or plastic one, just clean it up. Put it down in your bowl. And let's start with the other ingredients. We need 1/4 cup of water, you need 2 to 3 cups of shaving cream. The first step is that we have already added the glue in the bowl. Now we have to add the water. Remember, we have to take 1/4 cup of water. So I'm putting it down. I'm going to ask one of them to help me. Horia, could you please help me?
Mix it.
Yes, please mix it real good. Meanwhile, I'm going to take out shaving cream, and we actually need 3 cups, so I'm going to fill it up once. You have to have this kind of shaving cream. You cannot use the gel one. How does it look like, Horia? Does it look like it's mixed?
Yeah.
Okay, let's give it one big stir, and let's start mixing our shaving cream. So that was 1 cup. Now we need 1 more cup. Obviously it's hard to measure shaving cream. You just have to use your best guess. That's 2, and let's now make it the 3rd cup. This looks really cool.
Make an explosion.
Now let's start mixing it. First we have to mix it. Alright, I also got these this set of food color. It's easily available at dollar store right now because Easter is coming. So it's a very good value. For $1 you can get all of these colors. These are the basic primary colors, and you can make tons of colors with it. These are actually big bottles. These are not tiny ones. So I'm going to ask them what color they want to use, and we'll try to use that. Yes, Soha, what color do you want?
Blue.
Blue?
Green. Blue.
Okay, we'll try to make green with the other one. All right, so right now we are going to use the blue one.
Okay.
So I'm going to use very few drops.
3 to 4.
If you need more, we can definitely add more.
Wow.
I'm going to stir it. This looks like a whipped cream. Guys, do not eat it. Okay, do not get tempted and eat it. This does look really good, but if you were here, you could smell that it's not for eating. You can smell the shaving cream, but still it looks really, really good. Let me mix it and get back to you.
Please, can I mix it?
Hmm?
Can I please?
So we did the mixing. All three of them helped me. Make sure that you're mixing it slowly and you're not mixing it real fast. Kind of like folding everything together. So everything looks pretty much mixed up. The color, the glue, and the shaving cream. Everything looks pretty nice. Now the magic ingredient we have to use is the disinfecting solution. You have to make sure that if you're using the contact lens solution, it has to have 2 ingredients, which I'm going to post it on the video to make sure that your solution has those 2 ingredients. So mine does have it, so I'm going to use it and we are going to start mixing it. It starts to look different.
A little bit slimy.
Yes, it is starting to get everything. I think you can see how it's coming together. I'm going to mix it and see if I need more. I just gave like 2 squirts. So I'm going to touch it and feel if it needs more. Yes, it does need more to have the more sticky effect.
Texture.
It is starting to come together. Zen, would you please help me? Help me
Stir.
stir it, please. Try your best. Mix them together. So the next slime we are going to make is with baby oil, because I wanted to see, actually we wanted to see what is the difference between using different ingredients. How does it affect our slime? So for this one, I was thinking that we will use the white glue, but we are still have a lot of clear glue, and clear glue holds the coloring really well, so we are going to use that. So first thing first is that we need half a cup of clear glue, which is 120 ml. So I'm going to open it, put it here. Whoops, there is another cap over here, so I have to remove that. And let me pour it. We just need half cup, which is 120 ml. All right. So let's pour it in our container, glass container. Make sure you clean it up as much as you can so the glue is not wasted. All right, so next ingredient that you want to use is, you just need 1/3 cup of borax water, and you have to mix it in the glue. So remember in the beginning of the video we mixed the borax powder with the water, so we are going to measure 1/3 cup of borax water, and I'm going to put it aside for right now. Let's see the rest of the ingredients. So for the food coloring of our choice was green this time. Okay, so My secret assistant is on the side and mixing the fluffy one. She's been really helpful. So I squirted like good amount, 5-6 drops. I'm going to mix it. Mix the color first. The good thing is that the shaving cream is used in the both of the experiments, both of the slimes. So one bottle, which I also got from dollar store for $1, is going to be more than enough for both of the slimes that we are making today. I think this looks like a very nice green. You can add or add less, if it's up to you, whatever colors you like. So let's add our shaving cream. Fun part, we have to add half cup of shaving cream for this slime. All right, let's mix it up. All right. So, Miss Horia, could you please help me in mixing?
Yes.
Thank you. So Horia is here helping me mixing the shaving cream with glue. The next thing we have to add is, and Zain is going to help me squirting the baby oil. I want to see what difference that is make for slime to have baby oil in it. So I'm going to give him, let's say I'm giving him 1 tablespoon. Could you please add that, Zain, to our slime while Huria is still mixing? We'll mix it with our hands once we are done mixing it enough with the spatula, and then we are going to actually knead it, which is required for this slime. So could you please help our secret helper?
Yes.
Who's struggling right now? All right, so Soha, I want you to get in there and start kneading it.
Okay.
Don't worry about getting your hands dirty, because that's the purpose of it.
7.
I'm going to come back to you once both of the slimes are ready. Experience.
Awesome. Awesome.
All right, which one do you think came out the best?
This one? I think this one.
Oh, we are divided. So here is our final product. Let's dig in.
Feels so. Oh, it feels heavy. It feels nice.